Plugs into car harness at radio. Power 4 speaker. Made from quality materials. Easy installation. Durable and long-lasting. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for amp bypass with new stereo Volvo 940. I used these 2 wires harnesses to hook up a new stereo in my 92 Volvo 940. The one with really long wires was perfect for running new wires from the amp under the steering wheel to the back of the new radio to be able to bypass the amp. And the one with short wires was perfect for connecting the existing Volvo connector to the new radio. Did not need to cut or solder any wires. Worked for my 93,940. This worked like a charm for my 93 Volvo 940. It takes a little love to get it down to the amp harness behind the knee plate on the driver's side. If you remove the 3 panels under the steering wheel, you can pass it right through. Plug and play.